on her Olympic dream. Not quite as heartbreaking as the previous 2 times, but all the same. Tokyo far away from the field, let's be fair, for the starting gun. Olympia Tosheva, 24-year-old Bulgarian, Olympian by name, hope to be an Olympian of the future. As we try to hold position in what again are windy, challenging conditions. Tosheva just taking a moment to try and reposition herself. So important to get a good start. And underway, the first time I'm asking, in the K1 women's 200 meters. Schwartz tried to power away, already winning K2 200 gold on the Olympic qualifying day. Looking for individual medal here. And certainly her golden boat shining down the middle. Egan being left behind. But now coming through in lane 7, Lepa of Turkey. Well, powering through. Amagino, 40 years of age, but it's a tight finish. And it will go by a nose. Well, Turkey appeared to get it on the graphic, but it was incredibly tight with Victoria Schwartz. And the Austrian, I think, took it. We'll wait for confirmation, but the 36-year-old Olympic finalist in Beijing with Yvonne Schöring, who she later won a World Championship gold in 2011 in Szeged. But 32-year-old Lepa gave her a fright, but not enough to deny her World Cup gold. Well, double medal delight for Schwartz as she takes gold in the women's K1 200.
Victoria, congratulations. It's tough out there, but a good win.
Thank you. It's my first K1 race since a very long time, because usually I'm always in the double. And it was really, really nice to race here in Barnaul. I loved it.
It's nice having a crowd too, isn't it, to cheer you on?
Yeah, it's really nice, and they're really loud, so you can hear them. They're amazing.
And you're going to the Olympics in the K2, which is exciting.
Yeah, it's very excited. We got the spot this year in the double, and we will race K2 500 at the Olympics and K1 500.
Congratulations. A nice
Thank
day
you.
for you. Well done.
Thank you very much.
So a fine victory for Schwartz as she edges Turkey's